And my role in the incident was that I'm a subject matter expert on Kafka. So basically during the incident, I was working with the DBRE team to perform various diagnostics and take various remediation actions to basically fix the issue and get everything recovered and back to the normal state.
For me, I joined the incident as an incident commander. I helped on to provide some relief for the other incident commanders who had already been managing the incident for about 3 hours.
One was I was an incident commander on the second incident call, and then I was also the primary investigator on the incident review and assisting, as well as assisting with publishing the external-facing postmortem. So both internal incident review as well as the external-facing postmortem.
I joined the incident response or the ingestion team on the second one, which had kicked off in the morning. And after the incident, I led the impact assessment for the ingestion team. And ingestion team is the group that maintains the events APIs, and it is critical for our incident response capabilities since it's responsible for accepting and processing events into the PagerDuty platform. It's the people who maintain and operate them that actually bring the stability to the process. So that is something that I'm really proud of, and how we zeroed in on the problem and how we try to contain the blast radius of an incident as we're trying to go on a road to recovery.
From the incident review process all the way down to specific implementation of certain services, we were able to improve on as a result of this incident.
Sometimes people ask, like, how do we do incident commanders at PagerDuty? It's interesting to note that at PagerDuty, the incident commander rotation is 100% volunteer, and so it's a responsibility that's shared across a wide variety of folks.
You know, I'm happy to work in this engineering org. It's the most talented group of individuals that I've ever worked with.